In HD exclusively from RemoteCentral.com, the world leader in remote control information. I'm your friend Hank Eisengrein from URC. It's a pleasure to be here for your 2011 CEDIA booth tour. And we're starting out with 3 exciting new additions to our CCP product line. And these 3 new products offer us different price points, computer programmability, and new active lifestyle remotes. You've asked for it, now we're delivered. Let's look here at the new lineup. 3 new remotes. These are coming in the next couple of weeks from URC. They program with their CCP software that you're familiar with. And we'll start out with an affordable $299 color OLED MX780 IR and RF remote. Battery powered with AA batteries. This has a USB connector inside the battery compartment. We have added red, green, yellow, and blue buttons along with the record key on the transport. Retail $299, drag and drop custom icons and graphics, drag and drop in your CCP software, OLED screen, MX780. Now let's look at an elegant new model. Tabletop charger, lithium-ion battery. This is a $600 retail, and it's a true touchscreen remote control. This is now the MX1200. Compact, elegant design, brand new at what we're doing with our design engineering from our factory. The MX1200 is sure to be a popular unit with your customer and our dealers, URC dealers. Easy drag and drop color graphics, beautiful design, lithium-ion battery, USB connector inside the battery compartment. So this is the MX1200 color touchscreen remote, available soon, $600 retail. Now, the 3rd addition to the URC lineup of new CCP remotes here at the 2011 CEDIA. You asked for it, and now we've delivered. This is the MXW920, W for wet, splash resistant. This can be coated with water. This is good for your customers with the active lifestyle. So this is the MXW920. Same retail price as the very popular MX900. This is $449. Released in the next month. Here you have red, green, yellow, blue keys. We've taken the side-mounted light key and moved it here now to the center section. So this is a water-resistant product. But say you live in a place where outdoors is not part of the lifestyle. You have families, young children. Now the sealed buttons offer us protection from that juice box incident. So this is a new design. Even have screws to secure the battery compartment. And yes, we'll see it on David Letterman because it will float. $499. This is MXW920, the water-resistant solution from URC. CEDIA 2011, RemoteCentral.com, the world leader in control system information. I'm your friend Hank Eisengrein, once again from the show floor at the URC booth. Now we're looking at 2 of the source components. Yes, I said source components from Universal Remote Control. And so first we have our popular $399 retail PSX-2. Here we have on-screen GUI with 480p component video output, play video as well as music. The PSX-2 charges the battery on everything I. Also acts as a network content transfer station by using our PSX Link software. No longer do I have to hook up the white wire from my computer to transfer content from my iTunes store. PSX-2 has over 300 discrete codes. I can use it with a one-way remote or with our network series or total control products for two-way metadata feedback. PSX-2, the world's best iPod dock. Now an exciting new addition to the URC line of source components, and that's the SNP-1. The SNP-1 is a streaming network player. Single rack mount, $600 retail, soon to be released after the CEDIA show. This features all of the popular sources your customers are requesting. Pandora, Rhapsody, Sirius, internet radio utilizing vTuner. You have podcasts, photographs, even network drive content pulled across the network and streamed on the SNP-1. Single stream per box, use multiple boxes for multiple family members, an integral part of the total control system. This is the SNP-1 Streaming Network Player. Here you have Pandora graphics, much, much better than you see with traditional AV receiver type interfaces. So 2 streaming sources. Here we have Streaming Network Player with various services, and then streaming metadata with analog audio out to be used with total control or anybody's system with the PSX-2. Here's something that's new, HVAC control. HVAC control, a THZ100. This elegant, compact, networked total control system HVAC thermostat works with internal sensors, external sensors that are either wired or wireless. Connected over the network to the MRX10 brain, now you can get RSS feeds for local outdoor temperature. This will be a fall release. This piece will be less than $300 retail. This is the THZ100. We also have some keypads featured here in the total control system. The TKP100, and this is our single gang $200 retail lighting or music keypad. Perfect replacement for analog rotary volume controls. In addition, we have a variant of our popular KP4000 remote. That keypad is used for total control in the configuration of TKP2000. Single PoE connection, interchangeable buttons, multiple colors including our favorite light almond, $600 retail, 2-way metadata feedback on the face of the screen from your total control system. And now an exciting debut on RemoteCentral.com, a new TKP7000, and this is our new tab style touchscreen in-wall remote control, slated for later in the year. A new design motif for our engineers. You'll see here multiple displays in terms of what we can do with the TKP7000. 2.1 gang box size, very, very elegant design, and this adds to the family of total control keypads. URC adds IP cameras for surveillance to the total control system. Now, 3 popular formats. A very compact baby cam, along with a compact box cam, and then you'll see here we have our dome cam. All of these have excellent low light capability, 0.029 lux in black and white, 0.4 lux in color. Optional Wi-Fi dongle, so I can use the cameras on a browser. I also have these cameras available with composite video output if you have an 8-year-old system with modulated video. These will work on PoE on the total control system. I'm going to see them on the in-wall color keypads, and I'm going to see them on the handheld remotes. So for example, here we have a TKP2000, and we're actively seeing the TKP2000 displayed over the network on this total control system. So network cameras. You'll also see integration for HAI security with our network systems. So you have HAI OmniStat 2 thermostat, HAI lighting, and HAI security panel. Ready now in the CCP software, drag and drop 2-way for the KP4000, MX5000, and MX6000 remotes. And you'll see that integrated in the future in total control. Let's talk about some more exciting developments in the world of total control. Your drag and drop, easy to program, high profit, 2-way metadata system. Here we have iOS interfaces available now. So you'll see popular devices with interfaces from URC. These will be available in several weeks, and you'll be able to utilize these in conjunction with our combination of handheld controllers and in-wall keypads. So iOS solution. Look later in the year to see something that starts with A and ends with Droid. So URC Total Control, we're programming these new units to augment the system of in-wall keypads and color handheld controllers like our TRC-1280 based upon our award-winning MX5000 design, yet totally reworked to work exclusively with the Total Control system from URC. A new development for Total Control, remote system programming. Now your customer can push a button on a URC remote in their Total Control system, and it gives you the ability to activate cloud-based control. So now with remote system programming off-site, I can go and edit my CCP accelerator software. I can make changes to both hardware and firmware in my Total Control system from the comfort of my office or my house. Later in the year, you'll see us give you, the dealer, the ability to have the customer access their system remotely as well. So, built into the software for CCP Accelerator, no extra charge for you, the dealer, gives you remote programming and testing capability on your Total Control system. And we click on communications in the CCP Accelerator, and you'll see I can sign in and connect. And then when I sign in and connect, this is going to take me to the cloud where I can go and be able to save. Here's my login, be able to use my dealer email and password. Every member of your organization can be on a project, or you can selectively choose who in your organization has access to that customer system. Remote programming, Total Control by URC. We're here to talk about something a little different, which is the URC commercial division. Here we have our asset management system developed in conjunction with Spinoza Technologies. So what did URC do? Well, let's say you have a facility that you need to manage multiple rooms. Good example would be a local community college. Maybe you have 12 classrooms, all with custom AV equipment. Here, this integrates with a regular web browser. The URC commercial division now has the ability for you to monitor, control, and gain feedback for something like a projector, or you can have a media server, or maybe you have feedback on a handheld remote or an in-wall touchscreen. Available now, perfect for those of you that do commercial integration. Now with URC Total Control, you have asset management for use with boardrooms, facilities, and this is a freestanding system utilized with URC network products, KP4000, MX5000, and MX6000. Let's move on and look at something else that's exciting in terms of the URC commercial division. And this has to do with integration with popular brands of DSP, or digital signal processing processors. You will see, if you're in the commercial realm, that many of your boardrooms and facilities utilize high-quality DSP systems. URC's commercial division has worked together extensively with Jamie Finnegan, Larry Zalata, and Robert Durbin, and they've come up with interfaces with relationships with very popular brands of frequently used DSPs. So we have Biamp Systems, a DBX, which is a Harman company. We have Symmetrix, BSS, which is also a Harman Group company. And this DSP integration allows you to have control via URC network products. Here, for example, we have DBX logo on the faceplate with a rack with a KP4000 network keypad, here shown in black. And here on the screen of the TV, I've got feedback on a BSS controller, even have an auto system dialer to integrate with their telephone system. So something else you wouldn't expect from your friends here at URC, the commercial division. Check us out with our integration with popular DSP processors. Another exciting development for later in the year, in addition to the exciting two-way drag and drop program Total Control system, we have now an AV processor. Now this is the DSP-2000 processor. Latest in terms of Total Control because it's drag and drop. Easy for you to integrate in terms of a Total Control system. Now you don't have to wrestle with integrating an AV receiver. This is network streaming capable, 125 watts of channel RMS, 9.2 channel surround capable, True HD and DTS. Totally configurable in terms of multiple inputs. Video scaling to 1080p. This is a drag and drop component. You'll see this later in the year, and this will be an integral part of putting home theater into a multi-room, multi-zone, total control, two-way metadata system. TSP 2000 from URC, the quality that you expect, the profitability that you expect, total control from URC. 2011 CEDIA Indianapolis. Once again in HD, I'm Hank Eisengrein for RemoteCentral.com.